I think last class we discussed about reports, right? Let me check that. Give me 1 second. To July. Okay. Report share bucketing fields. Yes. Okay. Any doubts in reports before going to discuss about dashboard? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Done. Thank you. So next one is dashboard. Okay. So already last class we discussed theoretically, verbally what is dashboard, why go for the dashboard. So today we will discuss in detail. Okay. Dashboard is nothing but it is a pictorial representation of the report of the report. Okay. So that is something like dashboard. Report, we can see the data by rows and columns, either group by whatever. But if you want to see the data any diagrammatic manner or either in the form of chart, then we can go with the dashboard. Dashboard always it will show the data. It is a pictorial representation. Pictorial means different types of chart. Either it is a vertical or horizontal or whatever it is available, you can create. Now, without report, can you create a dashboard? No. The report always you can show that report data in the form of pictorial representation by using dashboard. Okay, dashboard source is the report. Dashboard source is the report, and without reports not possible to create a dashboard. Dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Right. So source is the report. Next point is why go for the dashboard? Even report itself also we have a option called to add a chart, right? If you go to the report, to open any account summary report, example, go to the customize. So here also we have an option, right? We can show what means in this report we can add only this report data we can show here. But in dashboard advantage is if you want to show the multiple reports data in the form of chart, then we can go with the dashboard. That is the advantage for dashboard. Dashboard, one single dashboard, we can access multiple reports data, multiple reports. So that is the advantage. Okay. So in single dashboard, you can access multiple reports to display. Okay, this one. And also while accessing report, at least one grouping is required. Grouping field is required. Grouping field is required to display report data into the dashboard. Okay, so that is the next step. And also here dashboard also it is a standard object, and object API name is dashboard only. Okay. And also how to share the dashboard? To share the dashboard from one user to another user via folder only. Okay. So dashboards are two types. One is normal dashboard. Second one is dynamic dashboard. So this is also interview question. So what is dynamic dashboard? Okay, let's see. Navigation is click on dashboard tab, and click on new button. That's new button. Okay, this is. Let's see how to create dashboard in Classic first. and then we'll go for the lightning. Go to dashboard. See, if you open the dashboard, it will open report page only. See, if you open report also, it will open same. It will open dashboard also, it will same page it will open. And also see here we have an option called new dashboard folder. Why this option is required? If you want to share the dashboard from one user to another user, then we can use dashboard folder. Right. Now click on new dashboard folder. Again, buttons I'm going to explain. So this is the dashboard builder. Save means you can save the dashboard into database. Now I'm going to save classic dashboard. Okay, just simply I'm going to say classic dashboard. I'm going to store as of now my personal dashboard. Because of dashboard we don't have any public folder. Okay, if you want to make it public folder, or if you want to share the dashboard from one user to another user, you have to create a custom dashboard folder and click on save. Once it is saved, save as button is enabled. If you want to save as one more copy of same dashboard, you can use. It's kind of cloning. And also close means you can close that. If you go to dashboard property, if you want to change the dashboard property, we can change the name, say folder name something, and here colors also you can, if you want, you can change. And add filter. Do you want to add any filter condition? Once added the dashboard, you can add filter conditions as well. Okay, see here. Here there is a two types of checkboxes we have, toggles. One is run as specified user, run as logged in user. If you make a dashboard as run as a logged in user, the dashboard is nothing but a dynamic dashboard. If you run dashboard as a specified user, only particular user, that dashboard is nothing but a normal dashboard. That's it. What is difference between normal and dynamic dashboard means, if the dashboard is run by only single user, if I open the dashboard, suppose the dashboard is created by Kiran. Okay, when I log in with my name, it will run by Kiran only. When log in with some other account and will run by dashboard, it will run by the created user only. That is the specified user. Okay, that is nothing but a normal. Dynamically, how it will take logged in user? Suppose if I can see the dashboard with my login, that view as a my name. If I log in with some other account, then view as a some other account user. That logged in user we want to take it dynamically. That is something like second option is called as a dynamic dashboard. Later we'll discuss again. Go to here. Which type of charts you require, you can select. I'm going to select here. See, these are the horizontal chart, vertical chart, line chart, here pie chart, donut chart, and here funnel chart. Different types of charts we have. Which type of chart it is required, you can use it. So now I'm going to use these three charts. Okay, let's see how to use for data. Now if you want here, if you want to change the title, you can change the title, which type of data we are going to use. See, suppose I have a dashboard called order management. Okay, I have dashboard called order management. In that order management, one chart I'm going to see how many orders are closed per day. One chart is how many orders are still in progress per day. One chart I'm going to see how many orders are closed by month, how many orders are still pending in the month, how many orders are cancelled in the month. So like that, if you want to access multiple reports with multiple chart, then we can use like this. Okay, now go to data source. Now go to the reports. I'm going to use opportunity summary report in funnel chart. And if you want any account report or maybe account summary report in vertical chart, and also if you want any different, but this is getting error. Why this is getting error? Go to setup. If you open the report, if you open account summary report, if you open opportunity summary report, and if you open account report, if I am accessing account summary report, I am not getting any error. Why? Because already one grouping field is added here. If you go to opportunity summary report, I'm not getting any error. Why? Because already I'm grouping by status. If you go to account report, it is generally it is simply for normal report. It's a rows and columns. So that is the reason it is getting error. See that error clearly it is saying that the report cannot be used as a source for this component because if this report is summary or matrix report, first thing, if you go to here, if you go to customize, this report is a tabular format itself, it is not supported. And also one more is, at least one or more groupings are required in this report. See, suppose I'm going to make it change as a summary report, and I'm going to make it as a type here, then it will show now. If you go to save now, if you go to refresh the dashboard here, or if you run the dashboard, it will come here. Okay, so this one again, if you want to check account report here, now it will run without any error. Okay, hope you clear what is the limitation. At least one or more than one grouping is required. And also the in classic, the report must be either summary or matrix. If it is a tabular format, it is not supporting. And if you want to give the title, this is opportunity report by status, and this is account report by name, and also this is account report. Here some filter is there, right? If you want to remove this one, now save now, it will update the data. Want to make it any footer, then you can change the footer. Custom opp header, just I'm going to show you how it is visible. And here custom opportunity footer. Okay, so now if you want to change any values, or if you want to change something in options, whatever options here available, if you want to show the percentage, it is showing percentage. If you want to show the details in over, whenever mouse over here, it will show the details here. Okay, and if you want to see the label assigning order, and if you want to see the right, you can see the right, or if you want to see the format like this, also we can change the data. If you click OK, it will change the data. Or maybe if you want to change like any other format like this, you can change the data. So which format it is required, you can select those format here, click OK. And if you go to here, this is something like vertical, right? See here, component data is available. If you want to show any component data automatically like this, it will show. And if you want to show the data, x-axis account name, and y-axis, if you want any auto generated, you can take the auto generated. And also here formatting, also if you want to show values and to show details, see here values also it is showing here. Okay, like this, whatever options we have, we can select here. And here also we have a component data. So here we have a field source report, or maybe record detail page, everything it is showing here. Okay, this is the whatever options we have in this dashboard builder, we can choose based on the requirement. Now I'm going to save the report, save the dashboard, and close. Save and close. Once it is save and close, see the dashboard is showing like this. Now if you open the dashboard is visible like this. If you want to edit the dashboard, you can edit by click on edit, you can change the dashboard. If you want to clone one more copy of same dashboard, you can click on clone button. If you want to refresh the dashboard, suppose in between any data is created, do you want to refresh? If you refresh now, all the dashboard is refreshed. See here, custom header is available, custom footer is available. This is account report by names also it is visible here. Okay, here like this. And if you want to change, click on edit now. If you want to give the here opportunity summary report, then we can click on save and close. It will save and close. See now, opportunity summary title also it is come like this. You can create a dashboard in Classic. Okay, now can I access this dashboard in Classic? Is it possible? Sorry, Lightning. Let's see. Go to the Lightning experience. What will happen? If you go to dashboard in Lightning, see now I can access Lightning in dashboard. So classic dashboards I can access in Lightning. So if you see here, I'm going to access Lightning mode in classic dashboard. Now what is advantage for classic to Lightning means I will show you. First what I'm going to do, go to the setup. Maybe I'm going to convert as a classic again. First I'm going to discuss about disadvantages in classic. Go to the setup. Now if you go to here, manage users, I'm logging with the manager IT profile. This is the user. Login.salesforce.com. Use for manager. Okay. Enter. Right. If we go to dashboard now, dashboard. So I don't have any dashboard, right? See, by default, it is not getting any dashboard. What I'm going to do, go to the report, create a new dashboard folder. Now create dashboard, move to my personal dashboard to IT dashboard. Now go to share this dashboard folder, same like report. Go to the users. I'm going to give Mohan manager. I'm giving edit access as. Now refresh. Is having IT dashboard access. Open the dashboard. So this is the classic dashboard, right? Now see here, this dashboard is created by which user? This dashboard is created by, see, run as Raju Chigicharla. Means because of it is created by this user. And if you go to here as well, if you go to login with the manager Mohan, Mohan, still it is viewing as a Raju Chigicharla only. Whatever Raju is having data, same data it is reflected here. Okay. Now how to make the changes or how to update this view as a current logged in user? Go to simply this user and go to here, click on edit now, edit the dashboard. Otherwise, okay. So go to classic, sorry, Lightning, go to the dashboard. Now open the dashboard, click on edit now. Now I'm going to change the logged in user. Now click OK. Now save and close. See now what I logged in as a user, my user is mine, right? So click on here. If you click on save, it will get, it is not getting any error. Now save dashboard property. Oh, sorry, clear. See, if you go to saved as a logged in user, why I'm getting without error means it is a IT dashboard, right? Now I'm going to change my personal dashboard. Click OK. Now save now. It is getting error. See now, you cannot save dynamic dashboard to a personal folder. You cannot save dynamic dashboard as a personal folder. Why? Because personal folder, it is always, it is run by specific user. But if you want to run by dashboard as a current logged in user, you have to save the dashboard into the custom folder. So that is the make sense, right? Because of that dashboard is run by specific user, sorry, logged in user. So what we need to do, so just save the dashboard as a IT dashboard. Okay, now this one is clear. Now what I'm going to change, run as a logged in user. Previously this dashboard is run by Raju Chicherla. Now we can refresh. Now it is run by, see, Mohan manager. It is run by Mohan manager. See, no data is written. Why? Because this user is not having any access. Hope you clear how to change the dashboard as a logged in user and a normal user. If the dashboard is run by specified user, the dashboard is nothing but a normal dashboard. If the dashboard is run by current logged in user dynamically, the dashboard is nothing but a dynamic dashboard. This statement is clear. Now, what is difference between, again, I'm going to change specified user only. Click on save now. Now, if you go to here, refresh now, this user again specified as a Nagaraj Chigicherla, and it is showing the data. Still, it is refreshing. Okay. Now, this is clear. Now, go to Lightning experience. I will show you the difference between Classic and Lightning. Okay. Now, go to click on dashboard. It will run by my name. Now, what is the first disadvantage for Classic dashboard is, in Classic dashboard, we don't have report details in each chart. We don't know which type of report we are using this one. How we know whether which type of report backend we are using the chart means, if you click on double click on the particular chart, then only it will open the report. See, the report is open like this. When it will open, if you click on the chart, then only it will show the particular report name, what report we are accessing. But if you go to Lightning, see, in Lightning we have, you can see the report type, report name, what type of report we are using. Means report name, it is visible into the chart itself. This is the first disadvantage for Classic. Okay, first comparison. What is that? In Lightning dashboard, we can see the report details or report name into the chart, but in Classic, report name is not visible. Once you double click on chart, then only the which report we are using we can get to know. This is the first option. Second option, in Classic, all charts are visible in single page. Do you want to expand the chart? It's not possible. See here, we don't have option to expand a chart here. So now in Lightning, we can expand full screen. Go to here, see, we can expand the chart like this. This is the second advantage for Lightning. First advantage, report details are showing into the chart, which report we are accessing. Second advantage is we can expand the chart to make the full screen of the view. And the third advantage is we can download the chart. If you click on download, the chart is open as an image. See, if you go to image, the chart is downloaded here. We can share the chart to any user if required, or if you make the any documentation, these details are making as a document, we can easily document this images in any Word file or maybe PPT. Okay, so that we can download directly. But in Classic, we don't have download option. If you want, maybe use some tools like snipping tool, something, we can take the screenshot and we can capture. And also fourth option is, compared to Classic, Lightning dashboards are visible more rich look format. Rich look format you can visible here. And one more is, in Classic, do you want to move the chart position from one place to another place? It's not possible. Maybe you can click on edit, and if you want to move here, maybe it is possible. I think so. Drag and drop, it is not working. See, suppose I want to move this one to here. No, not possible. I want to display the chart to here. No, not possible. But in Lightning, we can move this position from one place to another place. Click on edit now. So I will show you that one later. And one more thing, Classic dashboards we can access in Lightning. Let's see whether Lightning dashboards can access in Classic. See, when click on edit, I will get one pop-up message. If you edit any Classic dashboards in Lightning, then it's not possible to modify it into the Classic. We can see the dashboard details, but it is edit button, it will remove automatically. If we go to the save, and go to the setup, close, save and close. See, here we have edit button, right? Suppose in Classic dashboards, if you make any changes in Lightning version, this edit option is not showing. Means it is not possible to modify it again Classic version. Okay. Now go to here. Now click edit now. Now we can change which position it is required. Like this, you can change whatever position it is required. And if you add any component, click on component here. Now which type of report, if you want account summary report, select, can add report like this. click add now. So see here, one more is added here. If you want to position, whatever position it is required, we can drag and drop like this. We can drag and drop like this, which position it is required. Okay. So this drag and drop functionality it is supported in Lightning, but Classic it is not possible. Okay. So these are the advantages we have. Now save now, and click on done. Now it is done, right? Now go to classic view. This user having previously edit button, right? If you refresh now, edit button is not available, clone button is not available. Once that classic dashboard is modified into the Lightning version, then again classic you can see the dashboard details, but it is not possible to modify. This is one more limitation in classic. Okay, I will provide all the limitations in notes, don't worry. See here, updated version also it is showing. So these are the limitations we have while creating dashboard. And the Lightning also same story, guys. Go to the dashboard, click on new dashboard, and here give the dashboard name Lightning dashboard. And here if you want any custom folder, so here IT dashboard you have, right? You can select the custom folder, create. So same story, click on component, add which report you want to select and what kind of report you want to display. Click add, and do you want to customize this one? Click edit now. Here we have a options called show the percentage and whatever values you require. Here some details we have. That details you can update based on the requirement. Okay, and if you want filter condition we have, and so here back button, undo and redo buttons available, and here save buttons also available. And once click on done, the dashboard is going to read only mode, and if you want to expand, you can expand. Okay, so here refresh button is available, subscribe button is available, and a new dashboard download, everything is available. Okay, this is. And also how to create a folder, same, you can click on new folder and create a folder, and which user you want to share, and when go for the custom folder, and all you can see. Now see, if you go to dashboard report again, if you go to IT dashboard, see now Lightning dashboard also we can access in classic, but it's not possible to modify. Okay, so these are the options we have in classic and Lightning. Hope you clear. Right. Notes. In Lightning version, we can download dashboard component. This is first one, and also we can component position. Okay, position, and also we can see the report details in dashboard component, which report we can access. Okay, and also here we can expand dashboard component as full screen mode. Okay, this one. And also compared to classic, Lightning dashboards are visible rich look format. Another note is, very important note is, first one is we can access classic dashboards into Lightning version. It's vice versa. Vice versa means we can access Lightning also. And second one is we can access Lightning dashboards into Classic, but not edit access. In edit access, only we can see the details. You can see the dashboard details. Otherwise, only view access. View access. Okay. If Classic dashboard is modified in lightning version, then it's not possible to modify in classic version again. Okay, so hope these are the limitations we have in dashboard. Hope you clear. Now what is dynamic dashboard? Dynamic dashboard is nothing but the dashboard run by logged in user, run or view as. Okay, both are same. View as by logged in user is called dynamic dashboard. Dynamic dashboard. And also dynamic dashboards always we can store into custom folder, not for personal folder. Sometimes people are asking, can you store the dynamic dashboards in personal folder? No, it's not possible. Okay, so this dynamic dashboards, it's not possible to save the personal folder. Okay, clear now? So any questions up to now? Right. If you go to Lightning, how user is going to access dashboard? I want to embed this dashboard in home page. Is it possible? I want to embed this dashboard in record page. Yes, it is possible. I think still Lightning App Builder is not completed, right? At the time, maybe I'm going to complete. But how we are going to embed a dashboard here means we have an option called edit page. If you click on edit page here, maybe later I'm going to discuss Lightning App Builder. That is the one of the concept. See here we have an option called dashboard. You can log in. You can drag and drop dashboard here. Which dashboard it is required? We can select the classic dashboard. We can select the classic dashboard and save. It will show for the activate now. Activate. It will activate for assign arg default. Save. Now go back. But I will explain Lightning App Builder later. See, this is how user can access dashboard wherever it is required. We can embed it the dashboard. So here also it is open for full view mode. Okay, here also we can download. We can download the component as well. Okay, this is right. This is one thing. And also guys, see here we can download only specific component or entire dashboard. Entire dashboard also we can download. See here you can click on download now. This is entire dashboard, it will download like this. Okay, so both it is possible. Either you can download single dashboard or you can download entire dashboard components as well. Okay, this one. So how we are going to how we are going to access end user means either by click on dashboard, or maybe every application we have a home tab, right? We can embed it the dashboard into home page. What about classic? Classic also, when click on home page, I want to embed a dashboard here. How to embed a dashboard here in home page? If you go to setup now, this user not having setup, right? Now go to Salesforce Classic. In Classic also we have option, but you can ignore. Nowadays people are not using. We have a uh, object called home. I think home object is available. Go to the home page layout. Here it is available. Go to home page component here first. In that home page component, already it is available. Dashboard is also available here. Now go to home page layout. See here we have a DE layout. Click on edit now. Edit now. Here we can enable dashboard snapshot. Okay. Click on next. Now before going to save, if you go to home page now, there is no dashboard right here. There is no dashboard here. Now click on select here. Already dashboard component is select. Save and assign. If you save and assign, now the dashboard is now assigned. Now which user is having? So this Salesforce system administrator DE default. Let's see. Click on save now. Now go to refresh now. Go to refresh. See now dashboard is embedded into home page component. Okay, so this is how we can embed a dashboard into home page. End user sometimes access dashboard by click on home tab, or maybe end user having access for dashboard tab, then directly they're going to access click on dashboard tab as well. Okay, that is based on requirement. But lightning we can embed it wherever it is required, not only for home tab. If record page, any account record page, we want to display any reports here, then we can display reports and dashboards as well. See now click on edit layout. Edit layout, we have an option called here. So there is a report chart, right? If you go to report chart, see sample screen flow, it is available. The specific account we have, then we can add wherever it is required, like this. Like this it is displayed. If you want to expand the details, if you want to expand large also, you can expand large one. Like this we can store report chart or component or any custom component also, it is possible. Okay, once you click on save, it will open. Okay, so there is multiple ways you can embed it, the reports and the dashboards. But lightning, it is easy to embed it wherever it is required. So that anyway I'm going to discuss maybe next or next class. After completing tools, I'm going to explain lightning app builder. Okay, so that you can understand more about that, right? I think now you understand what is reports in Salesforce, why using reports, what is report type, what are the different types of reports we have, and what is the dashboard, why go for the dashboard, what are the limitations in dashboard in Classic, what are the advantages in Lightning, and what is dynamic dashboard, and what is Classic dashboard. Any questions, team? Clear dashboard? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
I think validation rules are completed, right? Thanks. Validation rules are completed.
Yes, sir. It's completed.
Right. So now I'm going to discuss about tools. Okay. So tools means configuration related tools are different, and maybe develop at the time of development. I'm going to explain developer console or remaining thing. Now, what are the data management tools we have? So main important is I'm going to mention data management tools. So generally, tools are very important to know as an admin. Why? Because as of now, you know how to create record directly in Salesforce. Click on new button, right? So go to here. When click on new account, we can create a new account in Salesforce directly. So this is how many accounts at a time we can create? Only one account. Suppose I have 10,000 accounts. I want to create all 10,000 accounts in Salesforce. How to create all 10,000 accounts in Salesforce directly? Is there any possibility for single sort? No. We need to use for tools, right? In Salesforce directly, it is not possible to create any bulk data more than one record. So by using tabs, always user is going to create one record only. If user want to create more than one record at a time, or maybe admin going to upload the data more than one record, then what is the alternate option is nothing but that is the data management tools. By using tools, we can load the data more than one record at a time. We can load 5 million records, 1 lakh data, sometimes in real time, regular basis. Every month, first we need to load the 10,000 data, or maybe 50,000 data, depends on the business usage or depends on business request. We need to load the data monthly basis or some frequently. Okay, but how we are going to load the data manually? It is not possible to create a data one by one, right? It will take a time taking process. Why? Because see, again, one more point you have to remember: any data loading activities you will receive from the business, you have to do immediately. Don't postpone it. Why? Because in real time they will run business by using data only. How the customers are run by business means based on the data that everyone knows, right? So data uploading activity you have to take a high priority and complete as soon as possible based on your whatever tools you are using. Okay, so in this data management tool section, I'm going to cover maybe 4 to 5 tools. First one is data import wizard. Data import wizard. Okay, this is the first tool. And the second one is data loader. Most of the people are using data loader. Okay. Now, second one is Salesforce inspector. This is using for both data loading purpose and development purpose as well. Salesforce inspector. And also we have one more tool called workbench. We have one more tool called workbench. And also we have one more is data export option. Data export option. This data import wizard and the data export option we can do for within the Salesforce. Within Salesforce. Okay, these two things are we can do for within Salesforce. No need to download any software. Within Salesforce only we can do the data loading performance. By using name itself, we can understand. By using this one, we can import the data from your local machine to Salesforce. By using this option, we can export the data from Salesforce to your local machine. So that is the possibility we have. What is other way to export the data? Is there any other way to export the data? Already we discussed. Did you remember? Maybe think about that.
Integration.
Integration, okay, that is okay. Integration, one of the development concept. No, integration end user not going to export, right? So suppose end user required for 10,000 records, how we are going to export the data? Already we discussed reports, right? Yes or no?
Reports. Yeah.
Yeah, by using reports also you can export the data, right? So that is also one of the possible way. But why go for the data export or maybe these tools? Even though we have a report option, means reports also it is an object, right? It is consuming some data storage. So every time, suppose every time we need to create a report and generate the data, it's not a good practice. So without creating report, we want to generate the data. That by using tools it is possible. Okay, that's the limitation in Salesforce. Not limitation, that is the advantage for tools. Okay, this one. Now, so whatever data loader, Salesforce inspector, workbench is, data loader, we need to install the software. Install the software. This is first option. And Salesforce inspector, no need to install the software. It is a Google Chrome extension file. Some companies are not accepting to install any extension file. If you are working any banking domain application or maybe some healthcare application, that applications are compliance related applications. Maybe the leads are maybe as per the customer policies. We are not going to install any extension file. Maybe once they're accepting to install extension file, maybe a system maybe admin people they're going to install the software in your mission. Okay, that is one thing. So if you don't have any installation for extension files or something, then we can use for data import wizard and export, otherwise install software. Okay, and also we have one more is, this is the browser tool. This is also not, no need to use for, no need to install any software. Within the browser we can access for workbench directly using username and password. Okay, so today enough for dashboards are enough today. You can practice more on reports and dashboard. That is also very important concept. And whatever there in my notes in dashboard related points, you have to understand. Why? Because the common question nowadays people are asking, what is difference between reports and dashboard? Okay, that time you have to give the, sorry, what is difference between classic and lightning dashboards? You have to specify these points. Okay, right. Maybe let's see one by one tools, how we are going to use data import wizard, data loader, Salesforce inspector, workbench. Workbench I'm not going to explain now. It is a development tool anyway. At the time of development also I'm going to explain once again. And maybe I'm going to explain remaining tools. Most of the time, real time people are using data loader. Salesforce inspector is a recent Google Chrome extension file. Already I have installed. See here, if you go to account or something, there is a one extension file we have, Salesforce inspector, same like force.com menu. This is how it is showing. Maybe I will explain later what are the things we are going to do. Okay, so tomorrow I will start with the data import wizard, how to access data import wizard. So let's see. Okay, I think last class I given some assignment, right, in bucketing field and all. Did you guys are practiced? If not, please complete. If you have any questions, let me know. Maybe this week, maybe I'm not going to take maybe 1 or 2 sessions. Maybe tomorrow I'm going for office. If I'll come with 7 o'clock, maybe I will take the class. But next week onwards, I'll continue the class without breaking. Okay. So please cooperate.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this week only I'm going to take only 2 or 3 sessions. Maybe if possible, I'll continue the sessions. Maybe next week onwards, I'm not going to skip any sessions. Okay, per day, per week, definitely I'll take the 5 sessions. Yeah, I'll try to make it myself. Thank you. Have a great weekend. We'll see you